Hello students, I am Anil Singh. Today I am going to teach you about the letter writing according to your class 10th English syllabus. So very first I would like to tell you about letters, how many kinds of letters are there. So very first I must tell you letters are of two kinds. First is informal and second is formal. मैं बताना चाहूँगा कि लेटर दो तरह के होते हैं, पहला इनफॉर्मल और दूसरा फॉर्मल। तो अभी जो हम बात करेंगे वो इनफॉर्मल लेटर की बात करेंगे। Today we will talk about the informal letters because this is only in your syllabus. So, how many parts of informal letters are there? This I will tell you. So I must tell you there are 8 basic parts of informal letter. The first is sender's address, which is written on the left hand side. First is sender's address. And behind this, without any space, we should write the date on which you are sending the letter. And now we will talk about the third part, that is receiver's address. So very first, in your left hand side, you will write the sender's address, after that date, and after that receiver's address. And now you should take a line, a space of one line, and then you will write the subject, on which subject you are writing the letter. In the fifth part, you will write salutation. Salutation like dear sir or sirs or dear madam, etc. Okay. Now we will start the body of the letter. Okay. So whatever you want to write in the body of the letter, you will write the whole body. And after that, a complementary clause must be there. Okay. So seventh part is complementary clause. Like yours, truly, or yours faithfully, etc. And at the last, there must be your signature. Signature or your full name and designation. So once again we will revise. First, sender's address. Everything is the left hand side. In letter writing, you must be aware that according to the traffic of India, we are going by left, so keep always left. sender's address, date, receiver's address, after that subject, after that salutation, body of the letter, and complimentary close, your truly or yours faithfully, etc., and signature. So is it okay? Now we will take an example of any letter, and then we will write a letter according to the example. Okay, students, now we will take over an example of letter writing, what I have told you earlier of informal letter. So one example we will take as a question, like you are Prem Prakash of 65 New Mandi Hapur. Your town is thickly populated, but the rapidly developing town has no proper parks for children. The problem is there that your town is thickly populated and there is no any parks for children to play. So you have to write a letter to the secretary of the municipal committee requesting him to provide a children's park in the town. So what I have told you, first you have to write the sender's address. Okay, so now you will write Prem Prakash. At the place of sender's address 65, and what I told you in the question, New Mandi Hapur. Okay, so now we will write the date on which we are writing the letter. So here the date is 12th September 2020. Okay, and the third part, what I have told you, this is the receiver's address. So you have to write to the secretary. So you will write the secretary, municipal committee, Hapur. And what I have told you, first is sender's address, second is date, third is receiver's address, and fourth is the subject. On what subject you are going to write? So subject is request for a children's park. Okay. So first part, second part, third part, fourth part. Now you will write the salutation. Dear sir. Okay. Now this is the body of the letter. Dear sir, as you know, this is the body of the letter, that our town is very crowded and there is no place for children to play. So they usually come out of their homes. Now the place is over, so I must erase this, and after that I will continue. So you must remember the first part, sender's address, second part is date, third part is receiver's address, fourth part is subject, fifth part is salutation, and now we are writing the sixth part, that is the body of the letter. Now I am going to erase. So usually they come out of their homes on the roads to play, and this causes a great inconvenience for the passers-by. You understand? So this what I have written on the board. It means कि अक्सर बच्चे जो है वो जगह के अभाव में घर से बाहर रोड पे आ जाते हैं खेलने के लिए, और इस वजह से जो राहगीर होते हैं उनको अच्छी खासी परेशानी हो जाती है वहाँ से गुजरने में. So both things are necessary because roads are to travel, but at the same time children also want to play, which is there not only the necessity but their right to. Therefore, now you have to close the body of the letter to request to the municipal commissioner. Therefore, I request you to arrange children park near our locality. grateful for your this favor. At last you will write thank you. Now place is again over, so I have to erase it. And this was the sixth part. This was the sixth part of your letter, that is the body of the letter. Now we will go through the seventh part, that is complimentary clause. So it is the seventh part, yours. Always remember, you will not use any apostrophe here. Yours truly, Prem Prakash. Okay. So signature is not there. The full name Prem Prakash is there. Before that, the seventh part, that is yours truly, that is complimentary clause, and the signature Prem Prakash is a common man of that locality, and this will end your letter. Okay. Now I will give you a question and you have to write a letter and practice it. So please note down. You are Vivek Khanna, residing at 1160 Pantnagar, district Udhampur. Write a letter to the district magistrate drawing his attention to the nuisance of loudspeaker in your locality. तो आपको एक लेटर लिखना है. आपका नाम विवेक खन्ना है, जो कि 1160 पंत नगर डिस्ट्रिक्ट उधमपुर में रहते हैं. तो आपको अपने डिस्ट्रिक्ट मजिस्ट्रेट को एक लेटर लिखना है कि आपके यहाँ लाउड स्पीकर से बहुत ज़्यादा परेशानी हो रही है, तो इस प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व किया जाए. सो जैसा मैंने बताया है आपको, उसके अकॉर्डिंग सारी चीज़ें सेम यूज़ करते हुए लगभग सेम होंगी. रिसीवर्स एड्रेस बदल जाएगा या सेंडर्स एड्रेस बदल जाएगा, लेकिन रहेंगी वही चीज़ें. बॉडी ऑफ द लेटर आपको डिज़ाइन करना है और लेटर लिखना है. थैंक यू वेरी मच.